Okay, found another one. Scott Grove, ImagineGrove, AWFS. I'm here at the Flex Trim USA booth. They got a brand new product, first time showing, and I think I'm going to get one of these myself. This is great. So for sanding profile edges, that's always a pain in the ass, right? Technical term. You know, you break through the edges and what have you. So this sander is a random orbital sander, but it has these sort of you know, brushes and fingers on them for a real gentle kiss, if you will. So let's give that a try. So fire that baby up. Look at that. So how many grits? So it comes in how many grits?
We have grits available from 80 to 320 and a number of different finger cuts and trim heights to match your sanding profiles.
Excellent. And the way I also like about this, if you've ever had a flat sander, changing those flats is a pain. This is a nice little O-ring system. O-ring comes off. This baby slides out, and bam, there you go. So I imagine you can change the sanding pad pretty quick. So.
Absolutely.
Chris, thank you so much. I wish you well. I think it's a great product. So check that out. Flex Trim USA, and this is called the...
It's the Flex Sander 6700.
Okay, excellent. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned.